Hi, and welcome to the Time for Learning Crafting Corner. Today we're making a fun and easy Valentine's Day bookmark and some super cute paper flowers that double as notes of appreciation. Let's get started with the paper flowers. You'll need some thick paper and some colored pencils or markers. I'm using watercolor pencils, which I'll activate with some water after I've drawn everything. You can draw any flower you like. I'm drawing some tulips by making a U shape and then 3 wiggles across the top and coloring them in. Add a stem and a leaf, and then it's time for the magic to happen with the watercolor pencils. Adding the water makes everything so much more vibrant and smooth. Once you've finished about 6 flowers, it's time to cut them out, leaving a little bit of white space around them. For the flower holder, trace 2 circles of the same size onto a piece of cardstock or construction paper. Cut them out and then fold them both in half. Then unfold one of them and add glue to the bottom half of both sides of the fold. Then line up the second semicircle with the glue on one side of the fold. Then fold over the top half to seal it up. This should leave you with a little pocket to stick the flowers into. But before you do that, you can decorate the pocket in any way that you like. Then it's time to add in the flowers. And don't forget, before you put them in, you can also add a little note of appreciation for whoever you're going to give them to. Now that you've made the flower holder, the bookmark will be a piece of cake. We're going to repeat the step of tracing some circles onto a thick piece of paper, cutting them out and folding them both in half, and then lining up the semicircle with the glue. This time, make sure it forms a right angle so that it fits on the corner of the page. This time we'll also take some scissors to round off the corners to make a more perfect heart. Now all that's left to do is to add some decoration. For mine, I made a grid pattern with some of my watercolor pencils and added some little hearts in the gaps. And there you have it. Happy Valentine's Day, and make sure to subscribe to the Time for Learning YouTube channel for more.